How to add music from iTunes to iPhone. Thankfully, there are many easy approaches to make iTunes to iPhone transfer. Simple as they are, some potential tricks for each should be noted respectively. Okay, let's now learn the top 3 ways to deal with this issue. Part 1. How to add music from iTunes to iPhone professionally. Don't hesitate to try iOS transfer. As a well-designed program, it can flexibly and quickly import music to iPhone from iTunes without harming any current data on your iOS device. Part 2. How to put songs in iPhone from PC using iTunes. 2.1 Transfer music from iTunes to iPhone automatically. Connect iPhone to PC. Open iTunes. Trust computer. Click Device, Music Tick, Sync Music. Choose Content. Click Apply Sync to add music. 2.2 Add songs from iTunes to iPhone manually. Connect iPhone to PC via USB. Open latest iTunes. Trust computer to recognize device. Click Device icon Summary. Mark, Manually manage music. Apply. Go to Devices, Music. Select Songs or drag to iPhone. Part 3. How to move music from iTunes to iPhone on Mac. 3.1 Get songs on iTunes to iPhone. Macos Catalina and later. Connect iPhone to Mac via USB. Open Finder. Select iPhone. Go to Music. Tick Sync Music. Choose Items. Click Apply Sync to transfer music. 3.2 Copy music from iTunes to iPhone. Macos, Mojave and earlier. Connect iPhone to Mac via USB. Open iTunes. Click Device. Tap Summary. Select Sync over Wi-Fi. Hit Apply to add music via Wi-Fi.